Welcome in, I'm Dane, and we are here at Ceramic Pro San Diego. We have this brand new Audi RS e-Tron GT. This is one of 75 of the Project 513-2. It comes factory with this crazy wrap on it. We're gonna tint it today with our Ultimate IR film, which is the best film. So come on over and let's take a look. So this wrap is actually done at the factory, and it's made to replicate a prototype car. So it has all this crazy, satin gray wrap with the lowercase e for the e-Tron. You can see it has the red wrap as well on accent pieces. This car is beautiful with the carbon fiber mirrors and roof. You can see on the quarter window here they have etched Project 513-2. I'm going to go ahead and protect the door panels, everything I need so that I can tint every piece of glass on this car. And what's cool about the Ultimate IR film, since it does reject so much heat, as well as insulating the heat inside in colder winter, you'll get better range out of your battery because you'll be using your climate control less. So let's take a look at it and we'll get started. So this film is Ultimate IR 25% on the front two windows. We're going to do Ultimate IR 5% on the rear section of the car, and the front windshield is going to get Ultimate IR 70%. And when you tint every single window on your car, it has a compounding effect, so the insulation properties are just going to get greater. It's just like in your house, you wouldn't only want to insulate one or two walls of your house. You'd want to insulate every wall, so that way your air conditioning or your heat stays inside. Same concept with the car. For this car, I decided I'm going to do some custom edges, so that way you don't see the edge of the film. So I've used the cutting software to just extend these a little bit, and then I'm going to come back and file them down to be right to the edge without a gap. So now I'm going to heat the edges of the glass because my film is actually hanging over the edge a hair, and if I don't cut that down, the film will rub and eventually peel off. So I'm using this heat gun to heat up the film, or heat up the glass, which will then dry my film, and I'm going to file the edges of the film down to match the exact shape of the glass. So this is an extra step, part of the tinting process, but it does make for a really cool edgeless, gapless install. So that was an inside look at how we tint windows here at Ceramic Pro San Diego. This car is going to look beautiful when finished with the Ultimate IR ceramic window film. I'm going to go ahead and finish it up, and I'll see you guys soon.